Creating account in CloudPush. Open a new tab in Chrome and search for CloudPush. Click on the first link to go to the CloudPush website. Look for the sign-in option at the top right corner of the homepage and click on it. If you already have an account, enter your email and password. If not, choose the sign-up option. Fill out the registration form with your name, email, phone number, country, and set a password. Confirm your password by entering it again. Provide your company name and state district. Check the terms and conditions box and click on the Send Verification button. Enter the OTP received on your mobile phone and click on Verify. You'll now see the CloudPush dashboard.